So let's go inside this WSS and see if they have anything worthwhile, you dig? So it's just like the one we just came from. Oh, they got LeBron basketballs on sale, up to 50% off maybe. Laker LeBron basketball. Here's their sneaker selection as far as on the wall. Immortality is already down to 69 bucks. Nothing that we haven't already seen before. Let's see what's inside JD Sports. So I'm here at JD and we got something very interesting here. I only saw images online. First time seeing these in hand. The Don Issue 4. I like that on the side, man. I might have to scoop one of these just because it says that name on the side. I mean, you can't deny that. This colorway is kind of very, very basic. But $120 on the retail, light shoe. Let me know what you guys think about it. Very plain colorway, but they do have some colorways that are coming pretty soon. I'm looking forward to those. And yeah, if they all have that on the side, I'm gonna have to grab at least one of them. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section below. And they have another colorway of the Dame 8, which I'm not really familiar with seeing this one. Kind of a white and translucent outsole, or partially translucent outsole. Admit one, get your tickets because it's showtime when he's on the court. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Black and white colorway of the Admit one, black with the gray actually. Let me know which colorway you guys like more, the black one or the white one. They got these Jason Kids, of course, with the red bubbles. Some people like them, some people don't. Got the up-tempos here popping. A lot of dope shoes. LeBron 19 lows, the red colorway down to 110. Not a bad situation here. Let me know what you guys think about what you're seeing on the wall here. A new colorway of the 37s. The 37, is this the hair? That's the first colorway. This is like the second colorway. Is this the hair? Let me know what you guys think about the 37s. They do have some colorways coming for this one also. You got that Jason Tatum one. You got that Undefeated collab. Let me know what you guys think about these. This is the hair colorway. Damn, the blue ones are already down to 120. We saw these brand new like a week or two ago. Already on sale. These are fire though. That blue is crazy. The Air Force ones, which we definitely seen before, but they got some dunks just like it. What do you guys think about this dunk? Got the same colors. Got that even got that gold Nike thing right there looking like a belt. These come with like nubuck on them with the leather, nubuck and leather. For some reason I feel like this color combination on the Immortality 2, I haven't seen it like this before. If I'm wrong, let me know. I feel like it's a different one though. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Look at this Vapor Max Plus for the ladies. This colorway is definitely fire. They got a lot of fire colorways for the Vapor Max Plus. They've been coming out with some nice ones as of late. 1 to 10 scale, what do you rate this one? 210 on the retail. Over here by the back wall, we have some more Panda highs. Just sitting here, man. Sitting here available for anybody who wants to come and grab them. They're not selling out, which is crazy to see now. If it was a low, that might be different. And then we got this colorway, kind of like a pink, soft pink, or like, I don't know, with the cream. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think about this colorway in the comment section below. For the ladies, they got this Flyknit Vapor Max 21. Kind of nice, not mad at the colorway. This one here, kind of dope too, 190 on the retail. It's React Pegasus 12. Look at this color combination, man. This thing looks pretty fire. I like how it stands out. Very bright, 140 on the retail. Copper pass for these. I'm not gonna lie, these blazers are fire. Navy blue with the kind of gum outsole, I guess you will, with the white stitching. That executed this one on point. Let me know if you guys agree. If I had to get us a rating from a 1 to 10, man, this is up there. 9 or 10 for me, man. That navy blue is hitting with that white and that gum. That's a perfect combination right there. They also got it here in this, the green. I mean, this is kind of a dope one also, just not as big of a fan of this one as I am that purple one. Out of the two though, or the purple, the blue one. Out of the two, which one do you guys like more? We saw these before, but the place I was at, the content got erased before I could edit the video. That's what happens when you're doing stuff so much so fast. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? This Griffey colorway is definitely not bad. One of the better ones I've seen recently. They too have these mids, which we've seen before. Definitely think this colorway is crazy, bro. Let me know your feedback on these mids in the comments below. Colorway is super fire. Super red 270s are always fire. I like to show them if I see a good pair, you know what I mean? To one of my favorite stores to visit, and a store that I like to send your girl to, Dick's Sporting Goods in the Northridge Mall. So we're here at Dick's Sporting Goods, and as I mentioned before, if you saw one of my previous videos, you're gonna start seeing more retros at Dick's Sporting Goods if you didn't see them already. I remember before, for like a few different releases, they did have some retros, but now the retros will be at Dick's Sporting Goods a lot more than you will see at Foot Lockers and things like that. You know what I'm saying? But they got at least some smaller sizes here, the 3s. Let's go ahead and look around and see what else we can find in this store. Coming over here to the running section and Nike basketball section. Looks like it might have got a little smaller since the last time I came here. But let's see what this selection's looking like. I'm pretty sure they got something that we'd like to see. Okay, this selection so far is looking like we've seen like what we've seen at other locations. So nothing too crazy about it. But there is some cool stuff here. As I said before, we checked it out. So if there's anything, you know, we've seen it before, you dig? Shoe Palace's Jordan selection, kind of like what we just saw, but they do have at least one taxi in men's sizes, a size 12 also. I mean a Jordan 12, and then they got some 14s also here. A lot of great finds for retail arbitrage. I've scanned a lot of them. They do have some movement, but not as much as I want to. I did find some things though that I'm gonna show you guys right now. They got red tags on everything. So we got these NMDs right here. Normally 130, they got them down at 59 bucks. Then they also have this maroon one right here for 59 bucks too. That's also not bad at all. We're gonna go ahead and scoop these. There's some good profit on them. I was gonna get 2 of them, but the 6.5, the profit's a little different. So I'm going with this one, and then she's bringing out my other shoe right now. Check out Champs really quick to see what they had in deck. They do have some Jordans here. Look at the Cosmic 2 Utility. This colorway is fire. I saw this the other day in one of their previous videos. What do you guys think about this one, man? This colorway is fire. Hooping. If you hooped in them before, let me know how they're working for you on the court. Another colorway, man. The colorways keep coming, just like the other Nike basketball shoes. Cosmic Utility, man. This one's not bad. Copper Pass on this colorway. Not a Chargers fan, but this hat looks pretty sick. Snapback too. We're catching all these colorways at a Don Issue 3 as the Don Issue 4 is right around the corner. I mean, early in the video, you guys already saw the Don Issue 4 there. Let me know what you guys think about these 3s though in the comments. All right, so let's go ahead and get out of here. We've seen pretty much everything we're gonna see. We got a few more stores to check out. If you like what you see, smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig?